The Daily Code Snippet. Last week, we went over the RGB color system. RGB represents the colors red, green, and blue. It is an additive color model. The values of red, green, and blue are expressed as numbers between 0 and 255. This week, we will go over the RGBA color system. The A in RGBA stands for the alpha channel. The alpha channel indicates the opacity. So the value of 1 for the alpha channel represents full opacity, or 100%, while the value of 0 represents full transparency, or 0%. We will look at how the alpha channel affects how 3 of our colors, red, green, and blue, will display. Remember, RGB 255.00 is red, RGB 01280 is green, and RGB 00255 is blue. This is our CSS. Here we are taking each of our colors, red, green, and blue, and adding an alpha component where we are displaying how the alpha channel at 1, 0.8, 0.6, 0.4, and 0.2 affect the display of our color. Let's take a look. Presented by Designers Learn Code.